The draft is fully open, and I'm trying to get down low and look up at the two systems of secondary air intakes, the U-shaped tubes on the left and the right, and the box beam in the center, with the grid of small holes. I'll get up higher and look straight in. It's snowing hard outside, and I wasn't sure that I would get the kind of draft I was looking for because the barometric pressure is lower. But it's doing all right. I'll close the damper, restricting the primary air. And as you can see, there's lots of flame activity, particularly from the box beam. Let's see if we can see the U-tubes. There's so much flame from the box beam that it obscures the flame from the U-tubes. And this will continue. There's enough superheated secondary air to burn the smoke from the primary combustion. As you can see, there's a good deal of flames coming down from the box beam. This is about half a firebox full of firewood. And here's a view showing some of the flames coming off the side. A little bit of flame activity in the U-tubes. The fire will take the air from the easiest source, which I imagine is the central box beam. I think they're in the neighborhood of 250 small holes in both systems combined. And yet there are 4 1-inch diameter tubes feeding these systems. But the fire decides how hard it wants to pull that air in. It's not a raging fire, but it's kind of fun to look at. It's a little tricky to focus on the flames. Trying to focus on the rear ones. Thank you for watching.